In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated emails with Smartsheet. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to set up automatic email alerts, so that Smartsheet does the follow-up for you instead of you constantly checking and sending messages yourself. By the end of this video, you'll have an automation running that sends an email whenever certain conditions in your sheet are met. First, open the Smartsheet where you want the automation to run. Make sure you're in the sheet itself, not in a report or workspace view. At the top of the screen, you'll see a menu bar. Look for the option labeled Automation along that top toolbar. Click on Automation. This is your main control center for setting up automated workflows like alerts, approvals, and reminders. Once the automation menu opens, you'll see a few choices. Instead of building something completely from scratch, we're going to use one of Smartsheet's built-in templates, which makes the process faster and easier. Click on Create from Template. This tells Smartsheet that you want to start with a pre-configured workflow that you can then customize to your needs. A window will appear with a list of different automation templates. Scroll until you find the option that says something like, Alert someone when specified criteria are met. This is designed specifically for sending email alerts based on conditions in your sheet. Click on that option. Choosing this template sets up the basic structure: a trigger, conditions, and an alert action. After selecting the template, Smartsheet will open a workflow editor with on-screen prompts to guide you. Follow those prompts step by step. First, define what should trigger the automation. For example, it might be when a row is added or when a particular field is changed. Then specify the criteria that must be met, such as a status column changing to complete or a date reaching today. Next, choose who should receive the email. You can send it to specific people or use contact columns in your sheet, so the alert goes to whoever is listed in that row. Finally, customize the email content. Use clear subject lines and include key information from the row so the recipient immediately understands what the alert is about. When you're done, save your workflow and make sure it's turned on. From now on, Smartsheet will automatically send those emails whenever your defined criteria are met.